So alright, we are in platform 2 going to London Liverpool Street, but actually we're just stopping at Old Leigh. And I suddenly lost Tong for some reason. I swear I saw him running inside the train. And as the conductor said earlier, please clear the train and please don't leave your luggage unattended. So Tong might be hoping that there was some luggage left by some random person and got in here. But honestly, there's nothing in here. Okay, let me just wander around and see if we can see some unexpected event. Holy shit! The luggage just spoke. Okay. Okay. We're just randomly. He's hurt. He's hurt. I can see his leg. It's moving. Okay. Yo, Tom.
Oh, what's up?
Where have you been, man?
Long time no see. I thought like you were like down there somewhere.
Yeah, have you seen that guy? Just like fucking. That luggage actually. He has a face. Started shouting in my face and I panicked. I ran away.
It's time for Sherlock Holmes, yeah.
And my
Where
face.
is he?
And my face went like this. Yeah, something like that.
I see.
Sorry.
So let's try to find him. What could that be?
I was like walking down here earlier. And
I think he's out there.
What?
What? No.
I think we're trapped.
What? Why is it not closing?
Open sesame. Close sesame. Oh. Ah! Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Part of my brain that was.
I found the hints. It opened.
Oh, yeah.
Totally.
Holy shit.
So,
We're in Cambridge.
where am I gonna
Earlier,
go?
man. Early fucking year. We were in Cambridge. And now, we're still in fucking Cambridge. What the hell is happening?
But that is the Stansted Express, dude.
Oh. Fuck you. Stansted Express.
Yeah!
Right? Yeah, Tom. That's it. Alright? This is how I do it, alright? As I hate you so much, I'm not just gonna fuck you, I'm gonna go inside you. I'm not gonna come inside you, I'm gonna go inside you.
Let's go inside, man.
Yeah, man. Huh. How'd you like us now, you fucking Stansted Express train? Huh? We did it, man. We came inside him.
We totally pwned it, man.
Yeah, yeah. Anyway, someone's staring at us, so we're gonna go. Right, see you later.